What's up guys? Day 2 with Rotor Riot. We are out here at the test field again, and today we've got some fun stuff planned. This is just a big piece of foam that I pulled out of the trash can, cut it up, made a race gate, made 2 of them actually, and we're gonna hang them under the Alta X. And these guys will fly their FPV quads through the gates as they're moving around through the sky, and we'll just get creative and see what happens.
How far below the Alta are they gonna hang?
We can kind of put them wherever we want, but I think if we get them too close, they're gonna be blowing around.
This guy's pretty smart. Look what he's doing, Drew.
Oh, what a crafty!
You should start a YouTube channel.
Yeah,
you could be really
like share some of your crafts, some of your ideas with people. Maybe build some things.
Crafts with Daniel.
You test some things that fly. And maybe if it's range controlled.
RC craft test.
RC craft test.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, so we are going to plan a waypoint mission on the computer for the Alta X to follow as it carries these race gates around the field.
So it's not just going to hover and
loiter? It's not just going to hover, no. I don't want to fly it myself because flying, who does that? Okay. I'm just going to have it's a robot. It can do its own thing.
Click on the map and there you go.
Yep, so here we go, waypoint 1. We'll have it fly over there. We'll just kind of have it wander around the field. We'll do like a snake pattern.
Sure.
This is the little wing that I was flying around the warehouse last night. Super cute. I built it at a Dollar Tree foam board. I kind of want to try and fly through the race gates, but I'm guessing... Why
don't you fly a quad like
a normal person?
Yeah.
I'm not a normal person.
He's gonna be flying a wing.
Do you think you'll be able to get through there with the downwash?
No. It's just gonna get blown down.
Oh, they're going up! They're going up! 1,
I like how the
2.
are almost invisible.
Don't worry about us wasting time filming this while I fly, because we got a 40-minute flight time, so we can just chat for a while before we get up. It's so sketchy.
Let's just fly.
So sketchy.
Absolutely amazing.
I did it.
Over top of him when he did
I filmed him through it.
Nice.
Oh, why did you do that?
We need to reinforce these things.
Yeah, maybe Johnson foam wasn't the best material.
Yeah. That first try worked pretty well, except these guys just thrashed the gates and cut them in half, but that's all right. We got tape.
No, it really didn't occur to me that we would wreck the gates. I had a lot of concerns about what could go wrong, but like this one didn't even.
No, that was my first thought.
Yeah, me too. I was like, oh, we're gonna slice through those.
They're so big, I thought you guys would be able to go through no problem.
Oh, you shut up! You shut your mouth! Oh. Is this a different mission than last time? It seems like it's moving more.
What are you doing, Dan?
So fun! Oh wow! This is just one of the wildest things I've ever seen. Oh! That was so nice! Yes! Oh, we broke it again! It's hanging from tape!
That was fucking awesome!
Oh, that was so cool.
That was pretty sick. Just being up there with that thing is so intense. I was having more fun just watching everybody else through the gate.
Yesterday I was thinking, oh, tomorrow's gonna be a little lame. I don't know if we can top that, but this has turned out to just be awesome. Jamie let me fly her quad, and it was just so cool seeing just like 5 other little drones just swarming around these gates in the air. It's just surreal.
Like, I got the sun coming down on me on a slightly chilly day. I've got a comfy chair, a badass place to fly. That's what life is all about.
chaos. This is chaos.
Control, I watched that all the way to the ground.
No! There you go. Oh, now you just took it.
You got it!
You got it!
Oh, Drib got it?
How did that happen? How did you do that?
Yes.
All the way to the ground.
Yes.
It was awesome.
So much goodness.
I just taped all the gates back together. They are really getting thrashed, and now Joshua is going to try and fly his X class through a gate. I'm a little nervous because if that thing hits the line, it could really pull on the Alta X. What do you think?
Oh, I don't think we should do that. But I mean, it's your call.
I'm good
Your
for
gear.
it. Yeah,
I'd say
I
the
think it'd
only
be
thing I
awesome.
want to ensure is over there.
Yeah, far away from us.
Over there.
If both of those drones come at us, we're screwed.
All right, that's when we're not going to do the crazy tricks.
Yeah.
Look at that. This is, I think this is your first collab. Well, this is your first collab week. We're doing a couple episodes, but he's never had the luxury of having a camera person.
That's true.
If it makes you feel more comfortable, you can just float your arm here.
The camera just floated away from me. It's like it could be on a drone for all you know. It could just keep going.
Like, my favorite thing in FPV is to chase.
I love chases as well.
And
I have an Alta X. You have a
tiny little baby quad.
baby quad.
I want to chase it.
Let's chase it,
I think
yeah.
we can get really close. We got the sun coming down. We've got these beautiful golden line of trees. Like,
You know how you see
flickering.
like a hawk and then there'll be like a little Tweety
Yeah.
bird chasing it? That's what we're gonna do.
Exactly that.
Look at this guy, happy as a clam, sitting here in the sunshine.
That's great.
I'm dangling.
Are you good, you freak? Get ready to rearm. Get ready to rearm. You ready?
I don't have video.
I'll just say the other one.
Oh, that was awful.
Oh, did you rearm?
And the last race gate was just cut in half. So I'm gonna bring in the Alta. Dropping in 3, 2, 1, now.
So long.
That was way too much fun. Flying through those race gates hanging from the Alta is like a drug. It's just unreal. So thanks to the Rotor Riot guys for coming out, and you should definitely go check out their channel. And I'll also link to all of their individual channels in the video description. So definitely go check those out. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I did. This was definitely one of the more fun ones that I've ever made. We're just packing up, and that's it for today. So thanks for watching. Bye.